Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council L. Thoiren has accused BJP-led government of diminishing the threefold distribution of legislative powers under Union List, State List and Concurrent List. L. Thoiren was speaking during the launch of a year-long centenary celebration of CPI, marking 100 years since its foundation. Speaking further in the program, which was held at GM Hall, L. Thoiren alleged BJP-led central government of promoting communal politics, favoring big corporates and businessmen, and for limiting the autonomy of universities. While stressing the need to defeat BJP in order to save the country, L. Thoiren said development of a country will come through strengthening of federalism and through proper demarcation of power under State List, Union List and Concurrent List. Control Commission Chairman of CPI Manipur State Langol Iboyaima, Commission Member Dr. M. Nara and State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar, along with other party members, attended the program.
Leriba Lamdamasi Singdam Nushana Himinaba, Lorena Serasi Hana power piraga, more power piraga Hana Magi special category status. I Barat the Yamatam the Koi, Princely Ceremony Yawneva, in Topamba Moinado, Barat Yama Shang, the Queen and neglect or Potegi, Lamdamasi Naro Kayapla, Padal Horopapa Lives, Barat Sarkari Yamna, meaning Sandava, Apulmagi, Shaktam, Pajan Ubangandaba, Manipur special category status to Moina restored to Hondava, Chipumasu and Mariana Shumba. Meaningless, Patok Sando, democratic weva, patriotic weva, Mipum Pulaka Punjalaga, moment Jatava, Lorena, Hazikapuna Monakangi, democratic country, the people, the sense of involvement, sense of belongingness, sense of responsibility. A quay Yauri Bani, Quay Mapuni, Quay Daitalaja, Masi Paholaga, Sanjan Badumba, moment, Kratanaba, Quay Shem Satari.